They have done close to 3 crores 82 lakhs 35,868 rupees, which will be probably $500,000, delivering a TACOS of less than 1%. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sami Akhtar and today I'm going to show you one of our client who is doing close to 4 crores every month. And I'm going to look around and show you exactly how they're delivering a TACOS of less than 1%. Yes, you heard that right, a TACOS of less than 1%. Now, what all it takes to achieve that target, how you need to present yourself, what are the things we are doing exactly, I'm going to show you exactly in this particular case study, and so that you can implement the same and make sure to achieve that kind of result and scale yourself. So here you can see in the screen, I'll just go their daily sales. You can see till now they have done around 6,38,000 rupees. They are doing really good. Now I'll go to the business reports. And let me just change this date range to last 30 days custom, then last 30 days, I'll change it to 2, apply. So you can see they have done close to 3 crores 82 lakhs 35,868 rupees. So it is close to 4 crores, which will be probably $500,000. So their monthly revenue is close to $500,000. And that is not what I wanted to show you. Let me go around their advertising and show you exactly how they're able to deliver at less than 1% TACOS. So the date range is set at last 30 days. You can see their ACOS is around 18.87%. Their click-through rate is good. Their NTB percentage is 25%. That means 75% are repeat purchases that they are getting. The cost per click is, you can see, 2.17. Obviously, that is really, really low. The ROAS is around 5.30. Now, what is happening here? What is happening? Why they are getting such less TACOS, such high repeat purchases? Now, you really need to be a player in this market if you want to get this kind of result. They are a player in this market. They are the top brand selling in this category. And they're selling for years. They have gathered thousands of reviews, tens of thousands of reviews in their listings. And the repeat purchase, you can see almost 75%. So you need to be really, really high in terms of the reviews. You need to be the A player in the market in order to get this kind of result. Though these results are completely out of the box, obviously we are going deep into display ads, DSP, and a lot of things right now with this account because they have already scaled a lot, and we are focusing on getting more NTB, new to brand buyers as well. So this is a brand that is doing close to $500,000 or 4 crores a month in revenue with a TACOS of less than 1%. But we are handling more than 60 plus brands, and this account is probably only the one who is delivering the TACOS of less than 1%. We have accounts who are delivering TACOS at 2.5%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 10%, 11%. But this is so far the lowest TACOS delivering account that we have in our portfolio. We have handled over $100 million in revenue with 35 plus team members. Now, if you want this kind of result, you are welcome. You can reach out to us, www.regrowmedia.com. There is a website there. You can fill the form and my team will set an appointment with you and check on what all we can do with your account. We'll go through the market research and give you the presentation how we can improve your account, and then we can move forward with it. Thank you so much. This is a typical result. And make sure you follow my videos if you want to achieve this kind of results. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.